Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can fix the issue when your JBL WaveFlex they are not charging and what you can actually do about it. So the first thing that I encourage you to try is that you want to try different cable for charging. This is the first thing. So try different cable for charging, different USB port, different adapter. So if that is not going to work out, then we're going to go further. So the first thing that you can try to do is go to settings of your app in your JBL headphones, where you're gonna have the JBL WaveFlex. You want to scroll down below, go to support, then reset to factory settings, and then press reset. So do that also. Now, when you're gonna do it, and that also is not going to work out, then we're gonna do the manual reset. So to do manual reset is really simple. So we're gonna delete all the JBL WaveFlex earbuds pairing information. So first unpair it, delete everything. Then take both earbuds out of the charging case. We're going to do it. Press the malfunction touch button on both earbuds 2 times, and then press and hold the malfunction touch button on both earbuds for about 5 seconds, and then place both earbuds into the charging case. And this is how it's going to look like. So we're going to take them out, we're going to press it 2 times here and here, and then hold it for 5 seconds and put them back in. So let's see. I'm going to right now just go away with the phone, take them, hold, 2 times press, and then hold for about 5 seconds. The blinking should a little bit change. So you're going to press it 2 times, hold for 5 seconds, and then you can try it multiple times and put it back to the case and close it. So this is something that you can do. And let me down below in the comments if this is going to work out. And thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.